Alright, question 2 for algebra. Here we go. Let's read the question, and let's read the question carefully, because you need to understand the question before you answer the question. Never attempt to answer a question without understanding it. Can you imagine if you were to answer a question that you don't understand? What will your answer be? Rubbish, correct? So let us, most likely it's going to be rubbish. Most likely. Alright? Okay, here we go. There were 17 boxes of candles at first. In the beginning, there were 17 boxes of candles. Each box contains B candles. What are B candles? Well, in algebra, B is a number. It could be 5, it could be 10, it could be 100, we don't know. But we let the number of candles be B. In each box, there are B candles. 2 boxes of candles were sold. So we know that 2 boxes were sold. We can proceed to deduct how many boxes of candles are left. It's quite simple, right? If you have 17 boxes of candles at first, and you sold 2, so you are left with 15 boxes of candles, right? Okay, the remaining candles were shared equally among 3 girls. The remaining candles, well, the remaining number of boxes is 15. Remember, this is boxes. So this is shared among 3 girls. Actually, if we want, we can solve it in terms of boxes. You see, there are 15 boxes left, right? 15, you can't see this, huh? Okay, let's use another color here. Alright, there are 15 boxes left, right? We can divide this by 3 and we get 5. So there are 3 girls who share 15 boxes. Each girl should receive 5 boxes of candles, and that would be the answer. But that is not the correct answer. Please read the question carefully. The question is not asking you how many boxes of candles did each girl receive. The question is asking you how many candles did each girl receive. So to do this, I am gonna show you step by step, alright, how to do this. However, let us try to do it with a real number here. And let's say the number is 10. That B is equals to 10. Let's assume. So we'll see how we solve the problem over here, and then we'll do it in algebraic form. Alright? Okay, we are going to show you now the working. Alright? Let me draw a line. This is for the non-algebraic explanation, and this is for the algebraic explanation. Alright, remember the question says there are 17 boxes of candles. 17 boxes of candles here, right? And we are told that in each box there's actually B number of candles, B. And I said earlier, let us assume it's a number. Alright, what's the number? There are 10 candles. So there are 17 boxes. You got 17 of them. Many, and in each there's 10. You can see 1 candle, 2 candles, 3 candles, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You got 17 of this. So let's count the number of candles you have in these 17 boxes. Right? How many candles do you have? Well, we have 17 times 10 is 170 candles. Alright? But in algebra, it's the same thing. Don't get confused about this. This is a number. B is a number. I know you might be thinking B is for bus, bananas, whatever it is. B is a number. What number it is, we don't know. Alright, so we want to find the number of candles in each, altogether it's 17 times B. The same thing. 17 times 10. If there are 10 candles in each box, it's 17 times 10. But since they are B in each box is 17 times B. So there are 17 B candles. 17 B candles. Alright, and then they tell us that two boxes of candles were given away. So two boxes were 2 times 10. So 20 candles were given away. 20 candles were given away. So down here with 2 times B, 2 B candles were given away, were sold. Two boxes were sold. So 20 times 10 candles were sold. In algebra, because this is B, so 2B were sold. So my question is, how many candles are left? Very simple. If there are 170 candles at first and 20 were sold, how many is left? Is 170 minus 20 equals to 150 candles left. Alright? Easy? Do the same thing, because this is a logical process. Remember, in algebra, your letter is actually a number. It's the same thing. So we take 17B. This is the number of candles at first, right? And this is 2B is the number of candles sold. So 17B minus 2B, you get 15B. This is what is left. And the question tells us that these remaining candles, which is 150, were shared equally among 3 girls. Now, why 3 girls, not 3 boys? We won't go into the question, but 150 to find out how much each girl receives. We take 150, divide by 3. Now, you can do it this way. You can do it by long division, or why don't you do it this way? Cover the 0. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Add the 0. 50. So each girl receives 50 candles. This is your answer if there are 10 candles in each box. But they did not tell you that. The question does not tell you that there's 10 candles in each box. I'm just using the number 10 so that you can follow the working logically. This is what you understand. And in maths, we proceed, or in life, you proceed from what you understand to what you don't understand. If you understand this, then it's from here that we try to understand algebra that you don't really understand, if you don't understand. So what you need to do now is you need to divide the number of candles that's left, which is 15B. Over here is 150. So 15B divided by 3. Alright, 15B. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Alright, 5B. This is your answer. This is what each girl receives. If you are still confused about this, 15B divided by 3. You can reduce this. Divide by 3. Divide by 3, you get 5. Divide by 3 is 1. So you get 5B. So this is what each girl will receive. Remember, B is a number. If you get confused, give a number to the letter B, so that you can see step by step how to solve this problem. And once you can see step by step how to solve this problem, do the same thing, but now substitute the number that you have inserted with the actual letter that's given in the question, and then you can solve it. Alright?